National Weather Service and National has issued this as a test message. Tornado warning for all of Middle Tennessee. This is a test message. Until 2 p.m. This is a test message. This is a test message. Repeat. This is a test tornado warning. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. This message is part of the Tennessee annual tornado drill. If this was an actual severe weather event, you would have been given information about the hazard. The National Weather Service, Tennessee Emergency Management Agency, and the Tennessee Weather Preparedness Committee encourages the use of this time to activate and review the severe weather safety plans. Repeating, this has been a test tornado message for the 2014 Tennessee Tornado Drill. This concludes the test. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message.